Hi all, this Realtiva tutorial will discuss task plans and setting those up and where they appear and how all that good stuff works. So let's go ahead and log into the Realtiva account and let's go ahead and click on options and let's go to domain settings. And you'll notice that, actually strike that. Let's go ahead and go to my settings. And under my settings you're going to notice templates, and then under templates you'll notice the marketing and task plans. Marketing plans, task plans, it's actually the same thing. So I call them a task plan. In the system you may see it as marketing, but to me I call it a task plan. So really what we want to do is, as these leads come into the system, and actually we can go to a lead. Let's go ahead and jump to a lead just so you get into an idea of how these two things connect from a business perspective. We can go ahead and click on a lead. And so now we're in the lead itself. If I go ahead and click on a task plan and I go ahead and start, click a start date. So this lead came into the system. I know it's a sale pending. I have a task plan for that already established. Today's date. Let's go ahead and start that plan. And so now you're going to see the plan comes into effect. And as you start to do these things, the tasks are going to start to show in chronological order by due date under my task panel, so you can really quickly work through your leads and work through those tasks. So as these tasks in the window, I can jump from lead to lead to lead to lead, take notes, mark off my task, take notes, mark off my task, and work through the system. So let's go ahead and just look at the task plan. This task plan's already been completed. We could restore it if we needed to, if we wanted to come back and do something different. We could also edit that if we wanted to modify a task that we're doing, update it. So from a business perspective, the task plan is going to show up under the opportunity itself. And we're going to go ahead and start a task plan when we feel it's necessary to start a task plan, and choose the plan that's appropriate for the lead type and the business process associated with this lead. So we've kind of seen how this and where this is located within the Realtiva system. So now let's go ahead and go to options, back to my settings. So if you're an admin, you can share these task plans with the entire company. If you're an agent and you just want to create some individual task plans for yourself, you can do that as well. Okay, so we're going to go to, again, options, my settings, templates, marketing plans, and we can just go ahead and add a plan. It's very simple. We can add a plan right here. Go ahead and name it my new plan. Let's go ahead and save it first. And if I want to share this plan, now that it's saved, I can go ahead and check that and update it. And then I just go ahead and start adding my tasks. Call opportunity. Make contact. Day 0, as soon as the lead comes in, I want to call that lead. I guess we could have a little fun here too. Stalk on Facebook. Make sure I'm making sure what they're doing on Facebook. See if I can become their social friend there and kind of get an idea of what they're doing in the market. Day 2. But yes, go ahead and schedule your task plan for what you need to do on this. And once this is saved and this task plan has been shared, and if you're a single agent, you don't need to share it. If you're an office admin and you're creating these task plans, you want to share this with different offices throughout the company, go ahead and click the share. So now when we go into a new lead that comes into the system, our opportunities, and let's just go ahead and click on this new here. We have a new opportunity, task plan. She's already been set up. Let's go ahead and choose Richard Green. Actually, opportunities. Let's choose Warren, see if Warren has anything set up yet, which he doesn't. And you'll notice my new plan is there. Go ahead and click on the date or whenever I want to start this plan. And voila. Call opportunity, stalk on Facebook, all that good stuff is there. So there you have it. That's very simple point and click, creating a task plan in Realtiva. Like always, if you have any questions or you have ideas for enhancements, please feel free to drop us a line. We're always looking for those comments and new ideas. Otherwise, I hope you're doing well, and thanks for listening.